Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. So we are seeing a series of tools options available with the Revit. If you're working with the Formit, where you'll have a Formit option to do a conceptual design. It's an alternative to SketchUp they have created, and if you're missing some of the families or the objects, the furniture that you wanted to use it in Formit but you couldn't find it, if you have a Revit families already, you can convert them as a Revit format, object format. So where you can go to the Revit tool, where whatever the family that you wanted, you can have it in a folder, arrange it, and you have an option in add-in convert RFA to format option. So if you're not tried this is a wonderful option where you can convert all the families. It could be one or two families, or it could be any single families. It's not about the family that you opened. You make sure that you save the family in a particular folder, and you make sure where do you want to save this family. And once these two settings are done, make sure what are the families are able to convert. So other families will come as an error. You have to be aware with that. So mostly generic model and furnitures will be converted, because these are the things, the initial conceptual designs which need it. So you can convert these families, and as in the folder locations that you have, I have only one family which is the same family, sample family. I have that in the folder. I can select OK, and the process will be done shortly, and the families are converted. So if you're having any different family other than those category, automatically you'll be popped up with the error report, and you'll have in your location like this. There are three families with the same family name, because we have three types in the family over here, and all those three types are saved as a separate families in the folder. And you can open the Revit Formit, and you'll have an option for import, and you can go to the local options and you will be able to import the types that you wanted to use it in the project and open it. So AXM is the file for Formit, and AXMF is the file format for the Revit file, converted file, which can be used in the Formit as well. And you can right click and you can make sure ungroup all, and you will be able to select the individual bodies based on the materials that you have assigned with the material. So this way you can reuse the existing Revit families which is available within the Revit, and you can convert them, do the conceptual design, and you can take the model back to the Revit from Formit. If you have any questions related to this conversions, anything, so let me know in the comment. We will be able to create a short tutorials about those details in the upcoming session with your name. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Do like it and share it with your learning friends if you have learned it, and which helps us also. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial tomorrow. Bye bye.